Say thank you to existence, thank you to my own self, thank you for being disturbed enough so that you are not invisible anymore. It comes out. It will pass. All things pass. You find that which cannot pass. If you find that which cannot pass, you'll find I'm also there. You find that which cannot pass. Everything else is passing. Everything comes, say hello, goodbye. Anything that says hello will say goodbye. Yeah. But there's something that cannot pass, in whose presence the appearing and disappearing occur. But it itself can never pass. When you find that, you find I am there. I am that. Not merely mentally I am that. No, with your entire being you're confirmed. You're confirmed, I am that. Then all this noise will stop. All the doubts, they stop. All the fears, they stop also. All the intentions, the noise of intention, of disappointment, everything stops. This silence nobody can keep, maintain, or practice. It's not a practiced silence. It is synonymous with our being. Silence is just another aspect, another name for you, who you are, what you are. So it is good fortune, not misfortune. Take the attitude like I've been reminding over and over again. I don't mind. Whatever life brings, I don't mind. Don't even have to pick and choose. But if picking and choosing also plays, it's okay. It's just another way in which the consciousness plays. But you are deeper than this. You're not the moving part.